Hello, my name is Socrates Ioannidis and I am the inventor of smartgrip. Smartgrip comes in an EVA case, which inside you will find all the plugs needed, all the adapters, all the weights, and the Allen keys and screws that you will need to assemble the grip. The grip comes with all the screws installed and ready to attach the plugs. Let's start by attaching the beaver tail. All you have to do is to remove the Allen screw and then you will see two secure washers. Take the washers, put it in each side of the beaver tail. Insert the beaver tail into the grip. Take the Allen screw, put it back and tighten until you feel some resistance. Now the back tail is freely to move up and down. We are going to continue by inserting the thumb. Remove the screw, take the thumb, insert it to the desirable position, plug it in, and then take the screw again, screw it in, put a little force by holding the Allen key like this, and the thumb is ready for use. If you like to change position, loosen the screw, pull out the thumb, select the position you like, insert it in again, and tighten the screw. Now, this is the top plug. Remove the screw which is located under the beaver tail. Take the top plug, insert it, and tighten the screw until you feel resistance. Don't tighten too much. The part is ready for use. You want to remove the part, loose the screw, remove the part, place it back again and tighten the screw. Let's put the back part. Remove the screw, take the back part, insert it, take the screw, put it in the back of the part, tighten until you feel some resistance, always by holding the Allen key like this, and the part is ready for use. Now we're going to insert the index part. Remove the screw, take the index part, slide it in like the back part, screw in until you feel resistance, always again with the same way, holding the Allen key like this, and now the part is ready for use. Remove the screw, and the part is ready to change to another size. Now we're going to insert the pillows. The pillows, they don't need screws to be inserted. Align them with the grip and slide them in. Now the part is ready for use and secure. If you want to remove the part, hold the grip like this, push with your two thumbs in front, the part is out, take another part, align it again, slide it in, and the part is ready. Now, something very important. The center part has a different way of holding it into the grip. All you have to do is to be sure that the screw is all the way in to the grip. If the screw is outside, you cannot insert the part. You have to insert the screw all the way in, and then the part, very easily you can slide it in and out. To secure the part, just remove the screw until you feel resistance. Now the part is secure and doesn't move. To remove again the part, screw in and the part is free to change it. This screw works as a pin, so when you remove the screw, it goes into the hole and doesn't let the part move inside and out. So if the screw is out, you cannot insert the part. You screw in and now the part can go in. Remove until you feel resistance and the part is secured on the grip. The same thing goes with the front plug. The screws must be into the grip. If you remove the screws, then you cannot insert the part because the part finds resistance in the screw. You have to insert in the screws so the part very easily can be plugged into the grip. To remove the part, put force on the top and slide it out. Again, we put the part like this, we press it in, remove it, in and remove. Now to secure it, we remove the screws until we feel some resistance. Now the parts are secure and you cannot remove it. Again, screw in and now the part is able to be removed. It is very important not to forget to screw in the screws to remove the parts, the front and the center. They work the opposite with all the other parts. Finally, we need to put the support. The support, you can insert it like all the other grips in the market. We remove the two screws, we align the nuts, insert the screws to the hand stop support, then simply put it above the nuts and start screwing and the hand stop is secured on the grip. Now our grip is fully assembled and ready for use. We make final adjustment. Also to the beaver tail. Also at the beaver tail. And we tighten. And the grip now is ready into our hand. That's how we assemble the smart grip.